Hello, my name is Shubham Sharma and I am pursuing PGDM from FMS IRM, and I am here to present my case study. Topic of my presentation is an HR case study on Samsung Engineering Company. I would like to start my presentation with a brief introduction on the given case study. This case study is about Samsung Engineering Company. It focuses on the incentive plan system for the shop floor worker as well as for the middle level managers. The main problem arises when Mr. Inderjeet, HR director, faces the dilemma whether to apply team-based or individual-based incentive system for middle-level manager. After going through the case study, I found that this case study is related with performance appraisal and incentive plan system, which are directly the part of human resource management. The next slide is about the SWOT analysis. So it is as follows. The strength of the company is attention on shop floor workers and incentive based on productivity. The weaknesses of the company is problem in performance evaluation of middle level managers and no proper structure for incentive system. Opportunities of the company is enhance the productivity of the team in organization and improve the performance on the individual level as well. Threats of the company is fluctuating demand for the specific product and no coordination between the departments. The next slide is individual assessment, that individually what I gained through this case study. The first question is, do you think it is proper to evaluate manager on the basis of productivity? In my opinion, yes, because productivity means is an assessment of the efficiency of a worker, manager, or a group of workers and a manager. The second question is, in your opinion, individual performance or team performance is the most suitable criteria for incentive plans? In my opinion, individual performance is the most suitable criteria for incentive plan because of some reasons. First one is First one is it is related with the performance of the individual, help retain best performance, provide equitable distribution of compensation, suitable for individualistic culture. The next question is, if you were the HR director, what would you do? I would have followed the several steps. The first one is to apply the individual incentive system or middle level managers. The benefits of individual incentive plans include motivating employees to put their best efforts into their workers and pushing lower performing employees to develop their skills and improve their output. For the employer, individual incentives plans have the benefits of encouraging high performing employees to stay with the company and ensuring that individual employees are equitably compensated for their output. Now, I would like to conclude my presentation by throwing the light on several points. The conclusion for this case study is that a systematic incentive plan should be developed for the employees as well as for the middle level managers, and performance appraisal should be taken into consideration after evaluating the performance of each and every manager. Individual incentive system should encourage the middle level managers to work effectively. Thank you.